Hey guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam. Okay guys, so if you've seen how I made this nice, wonderful aloe vera gel for my scalp, then that video will be down in the comment section. But you guys, this is just a really quick recap on how I actually opened the aloe vera plant to get the gel out of it. So once again, if you have not watched this full video on how I prep my aloe vera plant, then that video will be down in the comment section. So I'm going to thoroughly mix my aloe vera gel back up because as you can see, I have oil in the top of it and then the aloe vera at the bottom. So my hair is dry. I wanted to apply this to dry hair so that I don't have any water mixing in with this aloe vera gel. I really wanted to get my hair thoroughly saturated with this gel because I'm trying to get my hair to stop shedding, and the oil I used, no, I'm not going to tell y'all. If you want to know what kind of oil I used, you're going to have to watch the video. So the oil that I put in there is supposed to help me stop shedding. So I am going to thoroughly massage my hair, thoroughly massage my scalp, and making sure that my hair is fully saturated with this aloe vera gel and this oil that I have in the gel, just to make sure that my hair is like getting the nutrients that it needs from all the products that I put in this DIY. So you guys, this video is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just going to thoroughly massage my hair. I'm going to put a plastic bag on my head and leave this mixture on my hair overnight, and then the next morning I'm going to rinse it out. So you guys can almost kind of say that this is a pre-poo in some sort, but a deep conditioner. So yeah, you guys, like I said, I'm not going to ramble through this video. It's pretty self-explanatory. If you guys have any questions, then leave comments down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. And then a quick tip, you guys are going to see my son or hear my son in these last couple of videos that have this type of background. He was really trying to help mommy out. So yeah, you guys, you're going to see his hands a couple of times. So once again, if you have any comments or questions, then just leave them down below. Thanks guys. Bye.